Hola a todos, bienvenidos a Spanish with Patri. Welcome back to Spanish with Patri. Today I am here to tell you some of the most useful Spanish words ever. Are you ready for it? Vamos! First one, hola. Hello, hi, hola. It rhymes with Lola. The H is completely silent. Another one, very useful one, adios. Goodbye, bye. Adios. It literally means to God. I commend you to God. Now, if you want to be a bit more informal, you can say something like hasta luego, see you later, hasta luego. In Spain, we say it so quickly that sometimes it becomes something like hasta luego, hasta luego, hasta luego. It's super quick, but you don't have to say it that quick. You can just say hasta luego. Again, remember that H, not there. You don't pronounce it. Hasta luego, see you later. You make a mistake, you want to apologize, you say lo siento, I am sorry, lo siento, perdona, excuse me. Lo siento, sorry, perdona, I'm sorry, excuse me. This is a good one coming up. Somebody sneezes and you want to say, bless you. We say, Jesús, Jesus, Jesús. That's the literal translation, Jesús. Or if you're in South America, you would hear a lot more the expression salud, which literally means health. I hope you have health. Salud. Achoo! Jesús. I think everybody knows this too. Sí? No. Buenos días, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas noches, good night. We don't normally say buenas noches unless you're going to bed. Buenos días and buenas tardes are a bit more common. And no, we do not have good evening in Spanish. We would just say buenas tardes, it would be the same. Quiero, I want. Quiero, very important if you're going shopping. Quiero, I want. If you want to be a bit more polite, quisiera, I would like. Quisiera or me gustaría. Me gustaría. In Spain, we're a lot more informal in this sense, and when you are at a restaurant or at a bar or even at a shop, you don't need to use formal expressions. Oh, this one, I use it all the time. It's one of the first things that my husband noticed when I was on the phone to my mum. I would always go, vale, vale, vale. What does vale mean? It means okay, all right, vale. Remember that we pronounce the V's as a B, vale. Simple but efficient. Me gusta, I like. No me gusta, I don't like. Encantado or encantada. Nice to meet you. In South America, they say mucho gusto or un placer. Also in the Canaries, a lot of the expressions that I say to South America, they sometimes apply to the Canaries as well. Importantísimo, super important. Me llamo, my name is, soy, me llamo Patri, soy Patri. ¿Qué tal? How are you doing? ¿Cómo estás? How are you doing? You would answer, bien, gracias. Fine, thank you. Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? And you? And there you go. That's your super speedy lesson on the most useful words in the Spanish language. Are there more? Yes, many more. If you want to know them, follow me for more. Nos vemos en la siguiente clase. See you in the next lesson. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta luego.